Interfaith Harmony Week is a time for the global community to come together to celebrate diversity and pluralism.
Having the World Interfaith Harmony Week shows that we are so diverse. So how can we tap on this diversity to find peace and harmony in our world?
Harmony is not merely coexistence, it is not merely tolerance. It requires bringing forth the best gifts of those who are present to make beautiful music together.
Everyone in this world is born differently.
And by this diversity, we can bridge them through dialogue.
Baekudo runishtin am pegrapeftin maguhe khodaekudo am bzanabn ka qiyamid ma mushtarik galak bitirnish farq wujdaayid ma.
Without dialogue, how can we understand each other and how can we resolve and overcome challenges?
דיאלוג בין דתי הוא דרך חיים. להיות גאה באמונותיי ובזהות הייחודית לי, לצד נתינת מקום גם לאחר להיות גאה במישהו.
To dialogue, we come together.
Through coming together, the world can be a better place.
It brings us together to share our culture, to share our religion, where we learn to respect other religions, we learn to respect other cultures and understand more.
El diálogo interreligioso es muy importante porque nos enseña a convivir de una manera pacífica, respetando nuestras diferencias y reconociendo lo que tenemos en común.
Bashk për të fuqizuar kohezionin shoqëror, qytetarin dhe bashkëtesën në paqë.
حوار 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 يسمع من الناس أكثر ما تسمع عن الناس.
Happy Interfaith Harmony Week!
Happy Interfaith Harmony Week!
Happy Interfaith Harmony Week!
Happy World Interfaith Harmony Week!
Week.